Presenting the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, Alpine white clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.